Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be making a reading nook for my dolls. So to start my reading nook, I made the room already and the measurements are 14 across, 14 going down for the back wall, and for this side wall it goes 7 inches out and it goes 14 inches up. So I'm just putting some popsicle sticks to line the windows. You can see my other diorama through the window. And on the back of the dial, I put some packaging so it can cover up to give it like that nice glare. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to line the windows up with the popsicle sticks, and I'm using the jumbo popsicle sticks that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put up top here, on the sides, and then one down the middle. So right here in the corner of the room, I'm gonna glue this strip. So this strip is 14 by 3 inches, and this one is 14.5 inches. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just glue that in the corner of the room right here. Don't worry about the rough edges because we're gonna cover that up with construction paper. All right, so I have my window to my liking. I even made a little ledge out of popsicle sticks. So you guys can do your window however you like. So now I have this folded piece of construction paper and I'm gonna go ahead and glue it to the corner right here just to make it look smoother around that edge. Guys, so we have our little corner section right here, and I just cleaned it up with some construction paper. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make the little seat that's gonna be under here for our little view area. Okay, so now I made this L shape for the chair that's gonna be in the corner by the window, and the measurement for this is about 7 by 4 inches, and then the side is 3 by 4 inches. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right into the corner right here. Okay, so now we're gonna put down the floor, and for the floor I'm gonna use this wood grain paper that I had left over from my other diorama. So I'm gonna just go ahead and lay it across the floor all the way around. Okay guys, so I glued this strip to the side, which is the same length as this one. It's 14 by 1.5 inches, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this piece of foam board, which pretty much levels the measurement of the chair, and I'm gonna cover it with a cushion and fabric. So for the cushion, I'm gonna take this piece right here and I'm going to hot glue some fluff to the base like this. I'm gonna hot glue the fluff to the base. Alright guys, so I have the cushion right here like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and slide it into the area.
Added the seat, I went ahead and added the other column for the other side of the other bookcase, and it measures the same side as the opposite column on the other side of the reading nook.
Okay, so I added some square bookshelves at the top. So now I cut some rectangles to go inside as shelves, and I'm gonna put shelves all the way down the bookcase right here, and then I'm gonna do the same on the opposite side all the way down, and I'm gonna cover this raw edge with some white construction paper. So I finished doing all the shelves, so now I'm just going to glue this wood grain paper onto the side of the shelf right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue this right here on the sides.
Adding wood to the corners of the bookshelf, I just thought that it gave it more of a rustic look and it looked very pretty. And I did add wood popsicle sticks to the top part of the diorama, but then I ended up taking it off because I felt like it was too much wood, so I only added wood to the size of the 2 bookcases at the corners of the room.
The nook is complete, but now it needs books in it, so we're gonna go ahead and make some books. And to make the book, I have these printouts that are by Delightful Dolls. Did love the selection she had for the books. It's 2 sheets worth of different type of books, and it's pretty similar to books I already have. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these out and make them as books and to put them on the shelf. Okay, so to make the book like this, you see this book right here, it has a spine. So I'm gonna take the foam board and put it inside the book and just hot glue it together like that. You have your book like that. And then for my thinner books, I'm gonna actually make pages, so I'll show you guys that when we get to that part. And then as for the chapter books, I do the same thing. Like, this is a saga for Twilight, so I just cut a whole bunch of foam board and glue it together and have it like all the chapters of Twilight like that, and then I have it on the shelf like that. And so then this is another book you can just lay right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the rest of the books, and then I'll come back and show you guys everything once I'm done. Alright, so updates on my reading nook. So I took the wood off of the top part. I just feel like it looks better with just white. So I love the way it's looking. I added some curtains across here going across, and I just added some fabric to it and cut a hole through it, and I glued it to the corners. And then I added these pillows. If you guys see my last craft video, my fall video, I will link it in the description box down below. You'll see that I made these no-sew pillows. I made one of them into a heart, which I think is super cute. And I made some more books, and I haven't made the accordion style books yet, but I just made my foam board books, which are the chapter books. And I have one that I showed you guys of the regular books that have a big spine that I just put a foam board. And then I'm gonna go ahead and finish making the rest of the books, and then we'll go ahead and finish decorating this reading nook. Alright guys, so to show you the book with the pages, pretty much I cut pages accordion style like this with my paper. Well, I cut a strip with my paper cutter and I folded it accordion style. Then I take the actual book cover and I put some hot glue in the middle like so. I just cover all the surface with hot glue and the spine, and then I take the sheets and I go and I place it right in the middle, and then I get the first 2 pages and I glue it to the sides of the book, and then I close the book. And then I like to take scissors. And cut the ends like this to make more pages. So then there you go, and then you have your book that's open, and that's how I do that. So I'm gonna continue making books, and I'll show you the final result once I'm done. The final result of my reading nook. Hope you guys like watching me create these rooms. I absolutely had a great time, and I put a background in the back that's kind of like in between because we're going into fall, and I already put a book there for my doll, and I want to show you guys how my doll looks inside of this reading nook. This is my doll in the reading nook, and she looks so cute, and I really love the way this came out. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.